So today we're gonna do fluffy slime. You say fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. Fluffy slime. Alright, so we're gonna use shaving cream. Yes. White glue. Yes. Ice solution. Yes. And food coloring. Oh, and we forgot the water. A little bit of water. So what are we gonna do it first? First we're gonna pour the glue. So now we're gonna pour the water, a little bit of water, and then you're gonna mix it all together. Now you can mix it. You're gonna help Carol, okay? So now food coloring. Woo! So we have, what colors we have? You say.
Blue. Yellow. Green. And red.
Which one you want, Carol? Red, green, yellow, or blue?
Green.
Green. Okay. Carol wants green. Green. Woo! Squeeze.
Putting in the glue.
Okay.
Come on.
David. Blue. Go. Alright. Carol is it's mixing already.
It's shine?
Yeah. That's a really nice green.
It's shine?
What if I mix blue and green?
Wait.
It's a green.
Green.
I really love this color here.
And blue. That's a nice blue.
Woo!
That's a really nice
Wow!
blue. Shaving cream in. Shaving cream in.
This one.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, put for Carol.
This one.
Use the same one. Why?
Because I'm gonna put more. You have to put more in eventually. I don't want to run out.
Okay. Wait. Gotta wait. Go. Okay.
See.
She wants to do it.
I can't help her.
Like you gotta just a little bit. Okay, just taste it. No, you do it.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna die. There's glue in here, there's water, there's food dye, there's shaving cream.
Just pretend, man. Do it again. Let me see. Does it taste good? Does it taste good, Carol? Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of baking soda. We forgot about the baking soda, so you're gonna put a little bit. I already opened. It's on the side. A little bit of baking soda. A little bit. Okay, go. Okay. Yeah. David's gonna pour a little bit for you. Little bit of baking soda. Baking soda. I think that's enough, David. Oh, for her. Okay. All right. And now we're gonna mix it. Okay, mix it. How do you like that? Yes. Put your thumbs up. Go. Ooh.
It's your green, Mama.
Green slime.
Mama, oil.
Wow.
It is
Blue. Blue slime.
blue shine.
That's really nice, David.
Get it falling.
Yeah. Nice, Carol. Nice.
I got something.
Nice. All right, guys. So, you guys love the slime? Did you love it? Yes. Go.
No.
Oh. She mixed it. That's okay. Yeah, do it a huge one.
No, I want to keep mine.
No, you can do another one.
Oh shoot, no.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Do it. She's trying to hit you. She's trying to hit yours. Almost.
Switch.
Oh.